analysis. But that's not all. AI can also categorize feedback into different buckets. For example, complaints about product durability can be separated from praises for excellent customer service. This helps us understand what areas are doing well and what needs improvement. AI can also detect sentiment in the feedback. Is the user happy, sad, angry, or neutral? Understanding this allows us to gauge user satisfaction and overall sentiment toward our product or service. Finally, AI can prioritize actions based on user feedback. If many users are complaining about a specific issue, AI can flag this as a high priority, prompting immediate attention and action. So you see, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that transforms the way we understand and utilize user feedback. No more sifting through piles of feedback manually. No more missing crucial insights. With AI, sifting through piles of user feedback becomes a breeze. It gives us the ability to understand our users on a deeper level and make informed decisions. Now, let's take a step back and revisit what we've learned today. We've journeyed through the landscape of user feedback and its pivotal role in shaping the trajectory of product development. It's the lifeblood of innovation, offering us a window into the minds of users, their likes, dislikes, needs, and desires. We've also delved into the impressive world of artificial intelligence, a tool with the potential to revolutionize how we understand and analyze feedback. AI, with its machine learning algorithms and natural language processing abilities, can sift through mountains of feedback data, identifying patterns and trends that might be invisible to the human eye. It's about making sense of the chaos, transforming raw, unstructured feedback into meaningful, actionable insights. Insights that can guide us in creating products that not only meet but exceed user expectations. Remember, with the power of AI, we can turn user feedback into actionable insights that drive product growth. Stay curious, stay informed, and let's harness the power of AI to build better products.